Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 6th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest stories from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with an intriguing exploration into the world of iOS virtualization on Apple Silicon Macs. A dedicated tech enthusiast has embarked on a journey to virtualize iOS, building upon their previous work with macOS boot chains for virtual machines. This ambitious project faced numerous challenges, particularly due to the differences between macOS and iOS, such as the XNU kernel and iBoot. However, the discovery of an undocumented feature in Apple's virtualization framework provided a breakthrough, allowing the signing of arbitrary data for virtual machines. The author managed to replace the macOS boot chain with an iOS image, specifically iOS 15.2, and documented the technical hurdles they overcame, including kernel patches and system keybag compatibility issues. Although the project is still a work in progress, it represents a significant step forward in iOS virtualization. In a rather audacious scheme, two men, Hao Tiansun and Pengfei Shui, were sentenced for defrauding Apple out of approximately $2.5 million. Between 2017 and 2019, they returned counterfeit iPhones for genuine replacements, tricking Apple into accepting around 6,000 fake devices. By spoofing serial and IMEI numbers, they managed to exploit Apple's warranty system. The scheme was eventually uncovered thanks to an Apple investigator, leading to their arrest and sentencing. Sun received a 57-month prison sentence, while Shui was sentenced to 54 months. Both men are also required to pay restitution and will serve supervised release. This case highlights the importance of vigilance and collaboration between companies and law enforcement in combating fraud. Now, let's talk about an exciting development in the Deckintosh community. A new project, dubbed Deckintosh, has successfully run Apple's latest macOS Sequoia on the Steam Deck, a popular handheld gaming device. This achievement was shared by a user known as @WaterHopper, who showcased an early version of the macOS recovery dialog on the Steam Deck. Although the system is currently limited, lacking GPU acceleration and proper screen alignment, it marks a significant milestone. The Steam Deck's hardware, particularly its RDNA 2 graphics architecture, makes it a promising candidate for Deckintosh endeavors. While still in its early stages, Deckintosh serves as a proof of concept and an educational tool for those interested in running macOS on non-Apple hardware. Finally, let's take a look at GameTime Manager, a new app designed for recreational sports leagues. This app simplifies the process of tracking playtime and managing substitutions for team sports like soccer and basketball. With a user-friendly interface, it allows users to manage team rosters, track game progress with a scoreboard, and utilize color-coded icons for easy substitution management. Compatible with multiple sports, GameTime Manager aims to enhance player engagement and ensure fairness in recreational leagues. The app is free to download for iOS 17.4 or later and offers a glimpse into the future of sports management technology. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.